Recording I am.
Recording on you, Mark.
I'm on the ferry. That little chug, look. Fucking dicky mint. Oh, pissing down here. Kev stood up, he's just shit himself. Come on. Where's the calf knob?
Get off the ferry and then you're going to go to the right. What are we going to do? Wait for the rest of them?
Are we? Where are they?
I don't know, they're all here.
Don't know. Let's put my mirrors down.
I'll follow you, Tony.
I'm just fucking about.
I know, I can see that. Where are they?
Fuck knows.
They're here.
Are they here?
I can see Jacko and Andy was Neil.
Yeah, Neil's there as well. You lead the way then, mate. I don't know where the calf is.
I ain't got a clue. I'll find it.
What do you mean you ain't got a clue?
I'm just flagging here.
Fair play. Merge in. Go on, mate. Fucking Kev light's bright. Fucking Kev's fucking, if that's Kev's dip beam, I wouldn't like to see his fucking main. What we doing? What we doing? Riding round the fucking island.
Down here, I think, mate. Next left. There.
Where?
Yeah.
No,
It's open.
it's the law, isn't it? Fucking ain't open, is it?
I don't think it's open.
Nah, it's fucking fucked out then. One way here, fucking back round again.
Back round up the mountain, isn't it?
Yeah, up the mountain. Here we are. Sunny fucking Isle of Man, it ain't raining yet.
Fucking have it.
Be fucking grim over the top of that mountain, I reckon.
That's a station up here on the left, I think.
Yeah, that's probably where they are.
Just the left.
At the Craig, and I tell you what, it's bloody misty on them mountains. I can't see practice going ahead.
The yellow starters are, you go through the